Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is why and how to use timer with data register D in Mitsubishi PLC. This is the lecture number 13, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. Our first question, why we use timer with data register? The answer is for getting multiple time delay for one timer. Okay, if we want to take many time delay from one timer, we have to use data register with timers. Example, let's take example. When sensor X1 on, then Y1 must be on after 10 seconds, and when sensor X2 on, then Y1 must be on after 20 seconds, and when sensor X3 on, then Y1 must be on after 30 seconds. Okay, this is one example. Y1 is our one output and there are three input, so in shape of sensor. So let's come on the software and make a project, simple project, and FX CPU over PLC series. PLC type is FX3U, and this is a ladder diagram. So we will make one timer with a data register using three inputs. So first we will use X01 as a X01 sensor, and we will use move command, MOV, and K100 is for 10 seconds and D0 is our data register. Okay, and insert a rows. X02 is our other sensor, and use move command, and K200 means 20 seconds because we will use 100 millisecond timer. So D0 is our data register. X03 is our last sensor, and we will use move command and K300 for 30 seconds. D0 our data register. Okay, and now you use your timer. So same input we will use X01 and use timer T0. T0 is timer of 100 millisecond base time, and D0 as a data register. Okay, this is our data register. Insert a row and or. Okay, now you can use branch X02 and X03. Okay, now you can see our three inputs. Three input will be moved. If X01 will be on, K100 will be move. When X1 sensor will be on, it will move K100 value to D0 and also on our timer. Okay, we also make a new rung for timer T0, and it will be on our one output Y1. Okay, so if your other sensor X2 will be on, then it will be moved D to K200 value to D2, and D2 will be have 200 value and K2 also on your timer. After 20 millisecond it will be on Y01. So let's see we will compile it. You can see by simulator the working of this program, how timer will work with data register. Minimize it. Okay, first condition is if X1 on, then delay should be 10 seconds. If X2 on, delay should be 20 seconds. If X3 on, then delay should be 30 seconds. So let's see. We will on our first sensor X01, you can see all value D0 value have K 100. After completing 100, this will output will on. Okay, so take another example for 20 seconds. If your X2 will be on, you can see 200 value will shift to D0 transistor. Okay, this sensor also on our timer and also move the K200 value to D0. After 200 value, Y1 will be on. Okay, and now last one is you can also on our X03 on, and you can see no KT100 value is shift to D0. After 30 seconds, your output will be on as your condition in your lecture. Okay, last one. So you can see after 300 value, because this timer is 100 millisecond base time. Okay, if you have any question regarding this lecture, you can raise a question on the comment box of the video. Our team will be answer you as soon as possible. Okay, bye.